Once again, let us solve some problems in residues. Example 2 of your textbook, page number 211. F of z is 1 plus e power z by z cos z plus sin z about z equal to 0. Now it is a trigonometric relation. So at what point this denominator becomes 0? When they have mentioned as z equal to 0 in your problem, when you substitute z equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, but multiplied with the 0 becomes 0. So we are going to find residue at the point z equal to 0. So here the first two methods, we cannot use the first two methods because we cannot write the denominator as a factor of 0 here since they are in trigonometric relation. So let me use method 3. What is method 3? Let me write the formula first. Residue of f of z at the point A is h of a by k dash of a whenever your f of z is of the form h of z by k of z. So let me use this third method to find the residue here since my denominator is in the form of trigonometric relation. So as they have mentioned the point as 0, we are going to find residue at the point 0. So h of 0 by k dash of 0. Okay. What is my f of z? 1 plus e power z. This is my h of z and my denominator is z cos z plus sin z is k of z. Okay. Where h of z is 1 plus e power z and k of z is z cos z plus sin z. I need derivative of the denominator. So let me differentiate this. Product of two functions, so u into v, 1 into cos z minus z into sin z, differentiation of sin z cos z. I have to substitute the point 0, so let me substitute k dash of 0 is cos 0 1, 0, sin 0 also 0, so leave it, cos 0 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. What is h of 0? The numerator 1 plus e power 0, 1 plus 1 which is 2. So coming back to the residue of f of z at the point 0 will be 2 by 2 which is 1. One more problem similar to this. Example 5 of your text, page number 213. F of z is cot z and you are asked to find residue at the point z equal to 0. Let me change, otherwise rewrite my f of z as sin z by cos z. The numerator is h of z, denominator is k of z. What is k dash of z? Differentiating cos z minus sin z. We are asked to find the residue at the point, it is cot not tan. So it is cos z by sin z. The numerator is h of z by k of z. So k dash of z becomes cos z. K dash of 0 is 1. So what will be the residue? Residue of f of z at the point 0 will be h of 0 by k dash of 0. H of 0. What is the numerator? Cos 0. K dash of 0. That is also cos 0. 1 by 1. The answer is 1. One more example. Example 4 of your textbook, page number 212. F of z is of the form z square plus 4 divided by z cube plus 2z square plus 2z. So equating denominator to 0, we can find the singular points. Take out z. So z equal to 0 is one singular point. And this is a quadratic equation which cannot be factorized. So let me use formula method. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 2 plus or minus root of minus 4 by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. 2 is a common element. So minus 1 plus or minus I. So z equal to 0 is a simple pole. Minus 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I are also simple poles. All are simple poles. So since they are simple poles, I can calculate residue either by either of the three methods. Now let me use method 2 to find residue at the point z equal to 0. So residue of f of z at the point 0 is equal to, what is method 2? Method 2 is finding limit of g of z when z turns to 0. What is g of z? G of z is nothing but, you just omit the factor of 0 from the denominator. What is factor of 0? Z. You just omit this and write all other remaining functions of f of z. All other remaining things, expressions as g of z, except this z in the denominator, you write everything as g of z. Now limit z turns to 0, z square plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 2. Applying the limit, 4 by 0, 0, 2, answer is 2. So residue at the point 0 is 2. Next, residue of f of z at the point minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 plus I. Let me use method 3, h of minus 1 plus I divided by k dashed of minus 1 plus I, where h of z is, what is h of z? Numerator z square plus 4. What is k of z? The denominator z cube plus 2z square plus 2z. We can also use method 2 or method 1. Here I am using method 3. Okay. I need k dash. What is k dash of z? 3z square plus 4z plus 2. K dash of minus 1 plus I. 3 times minus 1 plus I the whole square plus 4 times minus 1 plus I plus 2. You substitute every values of h and k dash, you will get residue of minus 1 plus I. Similarly, we can also find residue for minus 1 minus